Welcome back YouTube, VST here, Valens Tech, and this is YouTube. So I want to show you guys the new changes that were recently introduced by Google. YouTube has turned 17 years old. It's almost like legally allowed to buy alcohol, etc. And the team from the YouTube decided to revamp it, and I can tell you guys, these new features here not only will improve the whole visual experience, but there is particularly one feature that I believe is very dope. You know how these things go usually, they introduce so many changes so often, we are not really able to follow all of this. Sometimes it's really so small and so tiny that you even are not able to notice it. But no, this time the story is absolutely different. So introducing here the new ambient mode. Well, what is the ambient mode, guys? Let me show you. I will now play the same video on both phones. And guys, although it might look similar, it's not. Let me explain why. YouTube introduced the so-called ambient mode, which uses dynamic color sampling, and it introduces this very nice and very subtle effect to the whole up background, specifically here under the video. And the beauty of this is that it matches really the colors. So of course there are some caveats around this. First, that's only available while you're using the dark mode, all right? So during the day, of course, it's not going to be there. But if you look closely, guys, and now I'm going to zoom on the phone, see here, this is this effect here that is just down below the video. Also, right, just the bar above the video. And this really looks beautiful. And just contrary to that one, this is here the old presentation. You have a black frame here, the name of the video, and then above, guys, see here, you have a black frame above the video, right? So it is not so immersive at all. It is even more noticeable when I use this 1 hour RGB cycle of colors. This idea, by the way, is not brand new, guys. There are even TVs like Philips that use the so-called ambient light mode, which takes the information from the picture, the colors, and just illuminates a very nice lighting frame around the TV. But it looks very, very dope. And yeah, apparently that's only when you use the phone in this mode. When you just do it like this, guys, then the magic is gone. But hey, that's not all, because there are some tricks here. Let me show you. I am still playing the same video, guys, and as I told you, even when you use the phone in the landscape mode, there are some very, very nice tricks. Now pay attention, guys. The old version would allow you to pinch to zoom, and yeah, you can kind of feel the screen, and then you can just do it like this, and that's pretty much it, guys. So you have like these two options. You either watch it originally or you zoom in to feel. Now pay attention, this is really beautiful in the light of the 4K and probably even 8K content that is coming hopefully soon. With the latest version, guys, you can pinch to zoom, right? And wow, right? So see, 2x, 3x, and you can go up, guys, to 8x. So why is this important, guys? Because, well, with the 8K content, this is probably going to be still utilized. See here, I mean, if you're watching a very nice video and you want to zoom in on it, you can do that one. Of course, you can also go back and watch it into the original. One tap will just give you this old zoom in to feel like we have here, right? But here in the old version, you pretty much are just bound to this scale. In this latest update, guys, beautifully going from 1x to 8x, right? And imagine the power of this. If you want to zoom in on some objects and you watch a very nice 8K video on a very beautiful display like the one I have on my S22 Ultra. But guys, I have something to tell you. This is yet not the best feature, all right? So I'm going to show you all the other things, and then I think you're going to be amazed. Now, of course, this redesign is not only introducing the ambient mode. There are some few other tricks. See here, the latest version has proper buttons for the subscribe button. Here, you know, we just have something called subscribe. It's not very intuitive, and people might very easily miss this or think that's a part of a title of a video. In the latest iteration, guys, all these buttons look better. We have the subscribe button, but also these other buttons are pretty much aligned. Okay, you have the share button, you have the create button, download button. It all looks really better, and this subscribe button as well. The new button made its way also to the playlist management and navigation. And by the way, if you are a fan of retro technology, yeah, you might want to subscribe to my channel and just check out the 15 years old Nokia N70 and playing Golden Axe on it, or my 17 years old Siemens A65 phone. But topic is a different one. See here, we have a play all button, looks pretty much unified. Also, I guess, unified with the whole Android 13 language. Now you kind of know the shapes, right? So see here, right? This is really Android. It screams Android 13. The play all and also the shuffle. But pay attention also to the edits and the share button. They now really look better. And guys, even that is not all. And I promise to show you the last thing. Really the best feature. Pay attention. I was not kidding you. See here, it's Golden Axe by Sega on my N70 Nokia 15 years old phone. And guys, if you are like me watching videos like this and you want to go back, I always use this SICK line here. And that doesn't work sometimes quite well. Of course, we have here the double gesture to go 10 seconds back and forth. But see, the latest version introduced something that is really my favorite feature. Now, click here. Get your finger like this, pull it up, and now you are going to be able to very precisely time your search. This is not possible on the older YouTube versions, and honestly guys, this here screams improved functionality. I use this all the time when watching tutorials or, you know, some nice fancy videos. I want to go back orient forward. So guys, this has been really a very good update. So Google is celebrating 17 years of YouTube, and I could be celebrating the fact that you decided to subscribe for my channel if you like videos like this. And if that's the case, thank you very much. And I wish for you and your family to stay safe, guys. And yeah, we're gonna all meet in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.